Hi everybody. We're going to start working with Git inside of Visual Studio Code. Git goes along with GitHub. Git is software that is local and installed on your computer. So if you click on the version control or the source control, you can choose Install Git, choose Open, and you'll notice that this is free and open source. We have our downloads, our documentation, our about community, and we need to get the Git download. Now they have it for Mac, Windows, Linux. Choose the correct one for you. I'm currently using Windows, and it's downloading it here. And I can now run it. I sort of skim through these. Next, install to the default location. I'm going to use the defaults. And I'm going to continue with the defaults. I'm going to let Git decide. And we definitely want to allow it for third-party software. You can, I would not do that one, but you could continue to add other options. And we're just going to go with all of the defaults. And install. And I'm going to hit finish. Now I can close these. And then I'm actually going to shut down and reopen Visual Studio Code. And now we can open a folder, we can clone the repository. We'll be using Git throughout here. It's a good idea to read the docs. And go ahead and read through this before going on to the next video.